Hey guys, Gus, Throttle Out Audio, Oswego, Illinois. Here to do an install on the TURY FAST Harley Davidson piece 14 up. This is a 2020 Road Glide. You're going to need a T25 Torx and a flat blade screwdriver for this install. We start by removing the two screws on each side of the speedometer. Pull the speedometer back, which will expose your harness for your throttle. Take your harness, pop it in. Pop the other side in. Take the excess wire and the module, tuck it into the fairing. Reverse the process with your gauge cluster. So once it's installed, you're going to download the app on your phone. You're going to go through the pairing process. It's going to ask you to full throttle, all the way wide open. Hold it until it tells you it's picked it up. Once it picks it up, let go of the throttle. You're ready to roll.